Okay, so this is something that I decided to have a go at making. It's a bike repair stand. I got the instructions off another YouTube video. That's the first step, like cutting the wood, joining it together. Now the wood that I got, I actually found it in a skip, or if you're in America you call it a dumpster. Perfectly good wood, saves me buying some. And that's it complete on the base in my kitchen, just testing it out. Really happy with the way it turned out, and I'm going to put a link below to the original video with the instructions.